Stock valuation. Now that you have had your first taste of valuation of bond or the fixed income asset, you're now ready to move on to the main game of finance, valuation of the stock. You have also been immersed in the language of economics and finance, which is math, and equipped with the tools to value the assets and measure the risk. Therefore, this module will be the culmination of what you have learned so far, and thus will enable you to fully utilize all the knowledge, insights, and tools you have accumulated through this course. Upon successful completion of this module, you'll be able to calculate intrinsic or rational or fair value of stock based on their future cash flows using all variants of discounted cash flow models, DCF for short, including dividend discount models, DDM for short, and conventional non-DDM metrics such as price earnings multiple or price earnings ratio.